Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your laptop temperature on GIGABYTE G7. To check your laptop temperature, you should simply download an app from Microsoft Store. But before we go into that, the app will check your processor's temperature. So if you want to find out your GPU temperature, you just need to right click on the task bar, click on Task Manager, go to Performance, then find GPU 0. You can see the utilization here, and right next to it there is the temperature. But unfortunately it's not for GPU 1 since it's integrated, the Intel graphics is integrated into your processor. So in order to measure that, you need to measure the processor's temperature, and it's not listed here, so we need to get an app for that. And I'm just gonna simply configure the Microsoft Edge, then search for Core Temp. This is how it should be named, and go to the alcpu.com website. Make sure you go into that exact website, because there are also some other ones that let you download this program, but I cannot guarantee that some of them don't have viruses. So just go to the official one and click on download. The website should be looking like this. Close this ad, and now you can see it's downloaded. I can open the file. Click on yes to give it administrator privileges. Next. Agree to the agreement. Next. You can change the destination location or leave it as it is. And now what I recommend doing is, first of all, unselecting build your own kingdom something, because it just puts a game icon on your desktop, so I don't really want it. And I'm also gonna disable the desktop shortcut because I don't use Core Temp as often. If you want, you can leave it, and if you want to install additional language packs, you can also leave it, but I don't need it, so I'm gonna unselect it, then click on install. Next. And then I'm gonna also unselect both of these and click on finish. Now as I go to search and search for Core Temp, now I can click on yes, and I'll see my whole temperature and everything. So what do we have here is the current temperature of each course, the minimum one. The minimum means like the smallest temperature that there was since your laptop has been turned on. So if your laptop has been turned on a week ago and you haven't shut it down throughout that time, then it'll be from throughout a week. And if it was just turned on, then the minimum temperature probably will be quite similar to the current one, because it's from the last several minutes if you've turned your laptop on several minutes ago. The maximum one is the same, but just maximum, not minimum. You can also see the current load and current power usage of the whole CPU, as well as the minimum power usage, maximum power usage, and the load is actually here, it's not counted, so here is everything. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.